You have a drain that is clogged almost 180 feet down the line. This job's going to require a lot of cable, and a lot of cable connections. See this little device? It's part of the new RIDGID K-5208 drain cleaner, and it makes coupling and decoupling sections of cable easier and faster than ever before. The K-5208 clears clogged drain lines from 2 inches to 8 inches and up to 200 feet in length, using 7/8 inch and 1 1/4 diameter sectional cables. That makes it ideal for laterals, main lines, and commercial lines in institutional, commercial, or residential cleaning. Other sectional drain cleaners use pin keys to make cable connections. Keys are easy to drop or even lose, especially with work gloves on. Oops, where'd it go? So we fixed that problem with a unique quick change decoupling tool for connecting and disconnecting cables and tools. The small pin accommodates 5/8 inch diameter cables, while the large pin accommodates both 7/8 inch and 1 1/4 cables. To connect a sectional cable coupling, simply slide the couplings together, making sure the connection is secure with the plunger pin fully extended. Now it's ready to feed into the drain blockage with confidence. To disconnect a sectional cable, insert the decoupler tool into the connection, rotate the decoupler to contact the other coupling, then continue rotating the decoupler to slide the couple apart. Sometimes, the cables get stuck together and are hard to disconnect after collecting muck and debris from the pipe. This decoupler gives you leverage to uncouple it when keys can't. And when you're done, the decoupler conveniently goes right here, and you won't forget it, and it won't get lost. The new sectional cable decoupling tool can be purchased separately for use on any of RIDGID's sectional drain cleaners, and it's just one of many advanced features on RIDGID's new K-5208 model, the most powerful and compact sectional drain cleaner on the market. And you can take it anywhere. Like every tool from the brand with nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship, the K-5208 sectional drain cleaner is tough, durable, and dependable, and comes with a full lifetime warranty.